Dolmabahçe Palace, the last magnificent stop of the Ottoman Empire. Dolmabahçe Palace, rising on the shores of the Bosphorus, the Pearl of Istanbul, has left its mark on the last periods of the Ottoman Empire, a time capsule. Built by Sultan Abdülmecid in the mid-19th century, this palace reflects the magnificence of European palaces rather than traditional Ottoman architecture. One of the most striking features of the palace is its giant crystal chandelier weighing 4.5 tons. Illuminated by 750 bulbs, this chandelier reveals the magnificence of the palace. In addition, the 285 rooms and 44 halls in the palace reflect the luxurious lifestyle of the late Ottoman period. Another interesting feature of Dolmabahçe Palace is that Mustafa Kemal Atatürk passed away in this palace. Room 71, which Atatürk used, can be visited as a museum today. The gardens of the palace are at least as impressive as its interior. These gardens, overlooking the Bosphorus, contain different types of plants and trees. Dolmabahçe Palace is not just a palace, but also a historical heritage that witnessed the last periods of the Ottoman Empire and the foundation of the Republic of Turkey. Therefore, it is one of the must-see places for everyone visiting Istanbul.